Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore the Magento 2 barcode extension. This powerful tool allows store admins to generate product barcodes automatically while adding a product. Additionally, the admin can update the inventory of any product with ease. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have user guides for these extensions in our blog sections where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's get started. In the left side corner, click on Manage Barcode Inventory, then go to the Configuration settings. After that, the Webkul logo will be visible. Here, you can see the Magento 2 Barcode Inventory Management section. In this section, you will find the general settings. The first option is Enable Barcode Scanner. The admin can enable or disable this module by selecting Yes or No. I am selecting Yes. Next is the Inventory Update type. The admin can update the inventory type by selecting either Same or Increase. I am selecting Same. Then, under Scan Code, there is a clickable button labeled Open pop-up to update inventory. Click on it. A new pop-up will open with the title, Update Inventory. Let's start with the code first. The admin has to enter the product code to update the inventory using the machine code. Next, under Update Type, you can select either Same or Increase. The admin must select the appropriate update type and then close the pop-up to complete the process. Next is the Reset option to reset the values and multi-update to update multiple inventory values. Then close this. After that, click on Save Configurations. Once the configuration is saved, go to Catalog and then Products. As you can see, the Manage barcode is visible. A different barcode is generated for every product. Click on the barcode and it will be displayed in a larger form. Then click to close it. If the admin needs to perform a bulk action for barcodes, they can select products. For example, I am selecting 5 products here. Then go to Actions and choose Print Barcode Information. Now, the bulk barcodes for different products are visible. The admin can also print these barcodes by clicking on the Print button. The barcode will be displayed, and the admin can download or print it. Now, when we create a product, for example, I am creating a product with the name Simple Product. I am setting the price to $100, the quantity to 100, and the weight to 1. Then, click on Save. Once we click on Save, the barcode is automatically generated for this product. The barcode for the new Simple Product is now created. Click on the barcode to view it. The barcode for that product will be visible. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.